I'd like to read a scripture that I feel will be incredibly encouraging. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through him who gives me strength. Of course, the him is Christ, but did you notice the I in that verse? We tend to focus on the encouragement that Christ can give us, but sometimes we forget to think about the fact that we have to act. A lot of times with those of us who grew up in Christendom, there's this reverence and this way we cling to God as the facilitator of every single thing. But of course, we know that God has given us the ability to make choices, to take actions. Whether the idea is from God or it's the call just to be a parent or a spouse or an entrepreneur, that can come from God as well. But to open the store on time, to clock in on time, to spend time with your family intentionally, to parent well, to launch the business, to start the new project, all of that requires you to act. He gives you strength to do it, but you've got to take the steps. You can do all things through Christ. He can do all things through a rock if he needed to, right? So the partnership that we come into with him is because he wants to do it with you. You have to make the choice. I believe in you, and God believes in you more.